Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. I'm your host. My name is Gary. Today, I'll be discussing bonus book review.
The Essential Vegetarian Cookbook paperback, January 1st, 1998. Product details. Publisher, Whitecap Books Ltd, January 1st, 1998. Language, English. Paperback, 304 pages. The Essential Vegetarian Cookbook presents a contemporary take on vegetarian cuisine, offering various innovative recipes. Enhanced with vibrant, step-by-step color photographs, this cookbook not only guides you through culinary creations, but also provides clear nutritional information and insights into unique ingredients and cooking methods. With its 304 pages, this paperback from Whitecap Books Ltd serves as a comprehensive resource for vegetarian cooks.
Featuring a diverse selection of recipes that are both accessible and delicious, this cookbook caters to both seasoned chefs and newcomers to vegetarian cooking. The inclusion of nutritional guidance specifically tailored for new vegetarians adds further value. The visually stunning photography and user-friendly layout make following recipes a breeze, while book sturdy binding ensures durability.
Readers praise the book's organization, wealth of tips, and nutritional insights, labeling it an indispensable addition to any kitchen. The recipes, accompanied by exquisite imagery, inspire creativity and promise flavorful results. Even non-vegetarians find inspiration in this cookbook, discovering new ways to incorporate vegetables into their meals and elevate their culinary skills.
Despite its focus on vegetarian cuisine, the cookbook appeals to a wide audience with its straightforward instructions and enticing visuals. Whether you're seeking quick and easy recipes or traditional favorites, this book delivers. Plus, special inserts provide valuable information on ingredients like soy, tofu, and tempeh, perfect for those exploring vegetarian cooking for the first time. My favorite recipes.
Almond and broccoli stir-fry, page 220. Apple pie, page 259. Corn fritters, page 98. Gazpacho, page 39. Herb tabbouleh, page 22. Minestrone soup, page 40. Pizza, page 74. Potatoes pancakes, page 49. Potato gnocchi with tomato sauce, page 123. Pumpkin soup, page 45. Roasted vegetable lasagna, page 161. Ravioli with herbs, page 127. Tex-Mex chili beans, page 149. Vegetable chips, page 28. Amazon Anonymous review. The term vegetarian often raises eyebrows among meat enthusiasts, evoking images of dull, rubbery fare and ersatz imitations of real food crafted from yeast extracts and soy. Despite its unfair stigma, vegetarian cuisine remains a loaded term. However, this cookbook aims to dispel myths and demystify vegetarian cooking, offering recipes that delight both omnivores and vegetarians alike. The Essential Vegetarian Cookbook is a masterpiece that transcends dietary preferences, captivating even the staunchest carnivores with its stunning photography on every page.
Within its pages, a diverse array of cooking styles await exploration, with many recipes designed to be accessible even to novices. Indeed, I would argue that every cook, regardless of their carnivorous tendencies, should possess a copy. There's something special about flipping through well-loved pages stained with remnants of memorable meals. From familiar classics to subtly exotic creations, this cookbook promises to inspire vegetarian and omnivores alike.
Personally, I also appreciate a generous serving of vegetables. This book is a revelation for those tired of the same old steamed greens, offering a plethora of tantalizing options. Many of the recipes are perfect for appetizers or light lunches, and they serve as excellent accompaniments to a hearty main course. Whether you're seeking simple yet flavorful dishes or seeking to impress guests with artful sides, this cookbook is an invaluable resource. Having sampled numerous recipes from its pages, I can attest to their remarkable flavor and appeal. They complement meat dishes beautifully while offering a healthy and educational culinary experience.
In my view, the Essential Vegetarian Cookbook stands out for its impeccable photography, clear text, and reliable recipes. It's the embodiment of a photographic cookbook, featuring stunning visuals and clear instructions. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, this cookbook serves as a gateway to demystifying vegetable cooking, offering dishes that satisfy both omnivores and vegetarians alike. Consider a masterpiece in its own right. This cookbook showcases a diverse range of cooking styles, with many recipes tailored to suit even the most inexperienced cook. Personally, I prefer the tactile experience of flipping through the pages rather than scrolling through the screen. The well-worn stain on frequently used recipes adds a sense of character and nostalgia to the book. As someone who enjoys a varied vegetable diet, I appreciate the relief from monotony that this cookbook provides. It's a treasure trove of inventive recipes, perfect for breaking free from the routine of steamed greens. Many of these dishes double as delightful appetizers or light lunches, offering a blend of ease, flavor, and artistry. The meticulous photography and thoughtful book design contribute to its overall appeal, complementing the user-friendly layout. With its substantial size, quality paper, and sturdy binding, this cookbook radiates durability and craftsmanship. Its content are meticulously organized, brimming with practical tips and nutritional insights. In my opinion, the Essential Vegetarian Cookbook is a must-have addition to any kitchen. Each recipe is accompanied by a beautiful imagery, and the dishes themselves are both distinctive and delectable. In my collection, it stands as my preferred vegetarian book. Come listen to our next bonus book review, Digestive Tune-Up by John A. McDougall, MD. It's really an interesting book where it speaks about bad breath, GERD, indigestion, ulcers, colitis, diverticulosis, gallbladder disease, hemorrhoids, constipation, IBS, and much more. It's an incredible book to be able to show you how badly one person can eat. I know, I've been there. I bought this book for myself. Okay, we're looking forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye now.
Disclaimer: the Healthy Vegan Living podcast strives for accuracy, but acknowledges the evolving nature of medicine. Views are evidence-based, but individual practices may vary. Statements made are not guaranteed accurate. Feedback is welcome. The podcast is non-monetized, with no affiliations to medical companies. Listeners agree not to use medical advice from the podcast for treatment. Consult a physician for medical concerns. This disclaimer extends to all contributors. Guests and contributors are not liable for podcast usage.